All right, we're going to show you how to mention someone in Instagram, how to mention a profile in Instagram that you probably want to showcase on your Instagram page. And the example is what we have here. This is BizCrown Media being mentioned. We put this here. So we're thinking at this point in time, you want to be able to add somebody or a profile to your Instagram story, excuse me, your Instagram story, and we're going to show you how. So now we are going to discard this so we can go right to where we are. Now to add a story, again, it's quite simple. Let's go to our plus sign here and we could see we have all our options. The third one here says story, so we're going to do that. So now we have our story and then we're going to pick exactly what we want. Now, with the story, you have all these options with your stories on Instagram. You have all these options on the top here. And it's one of these that you're going to pick, which is actually the sticker right here that you're going to pick. And it's going to pull up a menu for you where you have all these options that you can add. Now, you will see it depends. Yours might be here, yours might be here, it just depends. But what you want to look for is the mention button. Right here in mine, it's on top and in the middle. Yours might be different, you know. So we're going to do that here. And now when you mention, it gives you the opportunity. You can see, I've pulled it up here. It gives you the opportunity to add somebody in there. Now, good thing is, if you've recently done that in your, if you've recently added somebody, it pulls up the history, so it's pretty much optimized. You don't have to keep adding that. So in this instance, we're going to add BizCrown Media because we want to tag the business itself. And as you can see, that's how it is now. I can move it around, as you can see, to make it just fit in anywhere. I can make it bigger. I could turn it around. I could do pretty much anything to it. And the whole goal is that when this is shared and somebody taps on this, you have to be aware of that. When somebody taps on this, it takes you to the profile that you have mentioned. So here we go. So we're going to say BizCrown Media. Now, if I tap it once, you can see that changes the color. So you have the opportunity to be quite creative with it. Look at that. Changes the color and changes the color. And changes the color. So you have those 3 to 4 settings currently right now. It might change, you know, as they make updates on Instagram, but you could change it that way. And these can also be moved too. They could be moved, you know. Now, another question is, hey, what if I was hanging out with more than one person and I wanted to tag another person? Yes, you can do that. All you got to do is follow the same process again. Go to mention. Right, and now I want to tag me here. So Dr. Mayo at BizCrown. And so here we have it. So we have 2 tags here, and I'm going to change this to any color that I like just to spice it up. And there it is. So you can see now we have 2 names. Can we have 3? Well, let's see. As you can see, we can have 3. So if we did this right here, well, that's 1, 2, 3. You have 3 mentions in it, but we don't need this. I just added this just to show you that you can add more than one. So if you want to get rid of the mention, very simple. If you want to get rid of it, you can see I'm dragging it here. I'm just going to drag it right down to the trash and delete it. So that's how you can mention someone, mention a profile in your Instagram story and move it around, edit it, make it look good, make it appeal. And this could be done for a profile. It could be done for a business profile. It could be done for an Instagram profile. Whatever you want to do, you can do it by adding the names and searching for the names by going to the mention tab under stickers. Hope this was helpful. If it was, like and subscribe to our page so we can continue to give you great content that could help you out. Take care.